What up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different because AliExpress actually gave me a $60 credits. So instead of like wasting it, I decided to do something useful. So I bought a gaming headset. So this one is the gaming headset and this one is called the QCY Heroad VN200 Pro. But the big question is this actually worth it? Or it's just another cheap gaming headset? Let's find out. So first thing, let's talk about why I choose this one. When I'm browsing AliExpress, there were a lot of gaming headphones, but this one caught my attention because first thing is the design. Look at the design. It's very similar to HyperX, right? Very similar, and it looks clean, it looks professional, and it says it has a 7.1 surround virtual gaming sound. And you know, QCY is already known for audio products, so I thought, okay, maybe let's try it properly. And quick side notes before we continue. Some of you always ask where I get my Windows or Office keys, and lately I've been using Keys Worlds. So it's basically a site where you can buy a software keys and they email it to you. So there's no shipping or waiting around. You just activate it on your official software like normal. And if you're planning to buy anything anyway, you can use my code GPI25 to save a bit of all the products. And I'll leave the link down below, and let's back to the video. So when it arrived, the box was pretty simple, right? No fancy, but it looks very clean, looks professional, right? So inside of the box, you will get this headphone and some basic papers, some user manual guide, and that's it. Now let's talk about how it feels and how it looks. So the design is very gamer style, right? As you can see, but not too crazy. It doesn't have RGB everywhere. So which is actually, I like it. But most people, they like RGB, but most people, they don't. And when I put it in my head, the first thing I notice is comfort. The ear cups are very soft, as you can see, very soft. And it doesn't, if you press it, it doesn't press very hard. So I used this headset for almost like around 2 hours straight playing games, and honestly, my ears didn't feel tired. And no pain, no pressure, and that's a big plus for a long gaming session. Now, the most important thing is the sound. So I tested it while playing FPS games like Counter-Strike 2. Especially games where sound is very important. How about the footsteps? The footsteps, yes, I can hear them clearly. Gunshots, they sound strong but not too sharp. The sound is loud enough, but you can still adjust it easily. It feels immersive and it really helps you focus on the game. So when I'm wearing this headset, I feel like I'm inside of the game. I don't really hear outside noise, and it helps me to concentrate the game. Now let's talk about this mic here. I tested the microphone while talking to my teammates. I actually asked them directly, hey, can you hear me clearly? And they said yes. So my voice sounds clear, not robotic, and not too soft. For gaming, for Discord, and team chats, this kind of mic is totally fine. Now the question is it good for the price? Now remember, this was bought using a $60 AliExpress credit. For this price range, I'm honestly surprised. It doesn't feel super cheap. And it doesn't sound bad. And it's comfortable for long use. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. But for casual gamers, students, and anyone who wants a budget gaming headset, this is actually a solid choice. So, is the QCY Heroad VN200 Pro is worth it? If you are on a budget, playing games for long hours, and you want a decent sound and decent microphone, then yes, I think it's worth it. Now, if you're an audiophile or if you're a pro esport player, you might want something more expensive. But for normal gamers like me, this one does the job done. So that's it. If you enjoy this kind of honest, experience-based review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know, should I use my next AliExpress credit on another gaming product? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again to the next one. Peace out, everybody.